Okay, again.
Oh, God. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yes. We haven't recorded in a while because
Yes.
we're busy women.
Yeah, we're busy women. But we got a new green screen.
Check it out.
And
Pretty straight.
also,
I know you're not going to see the green, I guess.
Yeah. We have an exciting announcement, which is the reason for this video.
Yes. And we're going to show you today a sneak peek of web, in a way. So we're just going to kind of guide you around, and yeah, everything is very much like V1, of course. But yeah,
we're really excited. So yeah, let's get into Framer for Web.
Yeah. So I mean, let's just start with the dashboard.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have it in front of us.
Yeah, so here it is.
Yep, there's the dashboard.
This is a dashboard.
Beautiful, right? Yeah. And yeah, I mean, as you see, this one is like Perry's dashboard.
Yeah.
And you'll have, some recent, some drafts, and then archived. And you also have different spaces. So for example, like the Framer theme or Perry's theme, and you can have like unlimited themes kind of thing. I mean, don't overdo it. But yeah, that would be possible.
Yeah. What else? Okay, so there's templates you can choose from. You can start from a template, or also you can just upload. So if you already have a design or file from the desktop app, you can just upload it here, or you can start a new file just on web.
Yeah. And well, Perry has a lot of like untitled files there, but you'll see like all your file history here, and you can just kind of click on one and go inside it.
Yeah.
You'll see also how like the people that is actually collaborating in that file.
Yes.
Because you can actually collaborate. Something to mention as well is like you can search files if you, like, if you don't want to scroll down, you just search it. And also we have some cool things here that you should actually kind of have a look at. We have an overview explaining kind of how everything changed and the new features we have and some like limitations we may have.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have a change log. We're going to change that a lot in the coming months, so you can have a look at what is changing. And yeah, we have a Slack channel. People hang around there, give feedback.
Yeah.
And they give feedback as well if you want to request a new feature or whatever. Just put it there.
Nice. Okay, so
let's
go. Okay, so Ro and I are just going to show like a little workflow, a Framer Web workflow.
Yeah. I mean, that already looks pretty different.
Yeah, that's true.
You can see like everything kind of changed. Our designers are super cool. And look at that, how they made everything happen.
Yeah, so there's a completely different UI style, basically. If you're used to the desktop app and now you're looking at this, you might be like, whoa, what's going on? But yeah, it got a bit of a makeover. I have like all the tools up here now. You can see like everything like super clean and fresh. And then this is also organized different. So we still have the layers panel, but now assets are separated by components and code. So components is everything, but then you can also enter the code tab through here. Well, I guess it's not really code tab anymore. It's just like you see all your code files, and then to go into them, you just click.
Yeah. In the components panel, you'll see both the code components and the design components.
And then you can, if they're code components, then you can edit them also through here.
Yeah. And you can also create new ones. And that's a cool part, because if you actually create an asset, which would be component, it could be either a design component, code component, or a code override. So it's just a bit more explanatory, and like it directs you a bit more like what is possible.
Yes. And then you've probably seen this, but the packages panel, so now we have the public and team packages here as well.
Yeah. And you can just install them. In order to have like the detail view, if you miss it, you can just click on it and you'll have everything as before. So don't freak out. It didn't go anywhere. It's still here. So yeah, here. And you also can over there buy different things. For example, let's see Paris favorites. What do you have? Okay, cool. So yeah. Also the icons, right? The icons are beautiful.
Oh yeah. Oh, and also we have tooltips that are really fun.
Yeah. You can, if you're not sure about what it is, you can just go there and it explains how to use it.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet.
Yep. Well, can you invite me, por favor?
Yes. Okay, so this is my file right now, but I'm going to invite Aroa into my file so we can collaborate and design and code together.
Yes.
Aroa.
This is under the Framework team space, so that's why everyone at Framework can actually access this file.
Yes. And also, I'm going to say that Aroa can also edit this file. Send.
Cool.
There she is.
I never viewed it. Oh, I received it. I'll just accept the invite. Look at me appearing there.
There she is.
Hello.
Hi. Cool. Okay, so in our scenario here, we are, let's say we're designers.
Well, we're in theory, that should be a designer and a developer, let's say.
Okay.
What do you want to be, Barry?
But, okay, so I'll be the developer.
Okay, I'll be the designer then. So, should I start explaining what I did?
Yeah.
So, I basically, we're creating a design system together, hacking around. And then I basically created kind of a default, default state of a button, a hover state, and a click state. And then I was like, yeah, that's cool. But then I'll just tell Perry, let me just delete this one here. I basically finished my states for the button, and I want to comment and tell Perry that I want her to basically just, add an interactive button that has all the states. So I'll just write it down 1 second. Hey, I like to have all these states combined into an interactive button. And basically this would kind of say how it's going to be in production, right? So she can use just divs or whatever she wants and have it there.
Okay. So now you'll see I have a little red dot by the comments icon. So that's Aroa's comment coming in. And now I can go to my comment panel and see, oh, wow, Aroa would like to have all these states combined into an interactive button. Cool. Let's make it happen. So since we're in the same file, now I, as a developer, can come and look at her specs. I can see I can see in the handoff panel exactly what she has here. I can copy the CSS and put this in a code component, and I can create these states for her so she can have an interactive button. So, well, that's anticlimactic because it's already built. So here you go, Aroa. Here is an interactive button that was built in Framer. So if we go to the assets components, button interactive is the code component, and I can drag this out. There's a stack here, by the way. And then if I preview, let's see if this actually works. Hover state and click state, nice, all in one.
Yeah, and this is actually using style components and just divs. So this is actually something that would work in production, and you have the power of having it combined in one canvas. So that's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty sweet.
And then if Aroa wants to make a change to a color or something, she can just leave a comment and let me know, and I can update it in the code.
Yep. And yeah, I mean, that is like a basic overview of Framer Web. I mean, there's obviously much more that you can do.
Like for example, if we wanted to share this with someone else on our team, we can also copy the link of this project and just send them the URL.
Yeah, and this would give them access to the project. Mm-hmm. So this editor. But then, if we actually want to kind of send the preview only, you can just share the preview as well.
Nice.
So yeah, that would be an overview, right? Are we forgetting something, Burrito? Who knows?
Who knows? I guess we'll just have to.
Yeah, maybe we'll record another video because we're forgetting something.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you have any questions, put in the comment section. We'll answer or ping us.
Yeah.
And yeah, sign up for the beta, really. We have like a lot of people on the waiting list, so just like sign up before more people sign in.
Yeah, we'll put the link to that also in the video description thing.
And if you have like any topics that you'd like us to record,
We'll
just let us
try
know.
our best.
Yeah. Just let us know.
Yeah. We've been really bad at this, but that's okay.
I mean, you haven't requested that much, amigos. Just saying. That is true.
Well, yeah.
Right?
Okay. Well, bye everyone.
Do we?